Come on, Scoob.
Huh. Looks like a bit of a fixer-upper.
Hey! Nice job last night. Losers!
Quick, we need to think of a comeback.
What dorks?
Hey! Shut up!
You are trespassing on Wickles Manor. Leave now or pay the price.
What kind of jerk makes that his doorbell?
Dude, he just said we'd pay the price.
Shaggy, Shaggy, Shaggy. What could possibly happen by ringing the doorbell?
That's what can happen by ringing a doorbell, Fred. That.
At 7 p.m., the owner will be home to set you free.
Hey, you want to buy a box of cookies?
Excuse me. Have you heard the good news?
Yeah, there's cookies.
Oh, hey, what's your junk?
Sorry. Oh, brother. The lock's on a laser thumbprint scanner.
Oh, let me just get to my makeup.
Yeah, now?
You know what, Velma? It's never too late to learn to properly apply makeup. Okay. The last good thumbprint should still be there. So, a little blush. A pore strip. And voila.
Right there.
I enjoy being a girl.